Hey Google fans! Google just dropped AI-powered summaries in the Discover feed for US users, revolutionizing how you catch up on news. Is this the future of browsing? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this game-changing update. Google launched AI-generated summaries in the Discover feed on its iOS and Android search app, exclusive to the US. With multiple publishers, logos, and concise news breakdowns, it's a slick way to stay informed. Want the full scoop? Keep watching. Google's Discover feed now shows headlines from major publications, with multiple news publishers' logos in the top left corner and AI-crafted summaries citing those sources. Focused on trending lifestyle topics like sports and entertainment, these summaries help you quickly decide which stories to dive into. Google warns, though, AI can make mistakes, so not every story gets a summary yet. Beyond summaries, Google's testing bullet point formats and grouping similar news stories in Discover, though these aren't always AI flagged. Confirmed as a full US launch by Google spokesperson, this feature joins experiments by publishers like The Wall Street Journal and Bloomberg, who are also leveraging AI for news. It's a bold step for Google's mobile search app. These AI summaries make browsing news faster and smarter, letting you skim key points without clicking every link. As publishers embrace AI, Google's leading the charge to redefine how we consume news on mobile. But with AI's potential for errors, is this a win for convenience or a risk? Could this reshape your daily news fix? AI summaries are live now in the Google app for US, iOS, and Android users. Fire up Discover and see the new format in action. What's your take on AI news summaries? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Google's AI-powered Discover feed summaries. Are you hyped for faster news or skeptical about AI glitches? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.